In 600 meters, make a U-turn.
City center.
We come, guys, to city center.
This one beach.
Beach and Al Nakil Beach, the back.
But there's too much crowd, boss.
Yeah,
Do
this
we
is
have
Al
parking or
Nakil.
no? I don't know.
Let's see. Let's see. What is happening here? See, guys, this is Al Nakil Beach. People are walking. Before we stay here before with somebody, with Ermi. Ermi boss.
7 seats.
Ermi and Nilbert and Gina babe.
What is the name restaurant, boss?
Grillo.
Grillo. You somebody tell you from Philippines name?
That is a Grillo, boss. Grillo. My roommate always telling this Grillo.
Then you
It's
think
good here, Orlando.
then you thinking today go there, huh?
Yeah. They always say Grillo. Zone clinics. We go here to clinics by there. Here. Clinics. I think Grillo is beside the sea. Restaurant.
This one, boss, Ram Dental, I think you go
Yeah.
there is take teeth.
Take my
here.
teeth, one teeth.
This one, Burger Fuel.
Burger fuel.
You buy burger, then it will be
Fuel. And
burger fuel.
they put it
And is open your panty and then make it fuel, huh?
fuel. Fuel.
Put in your cup.
Okay, guys. So we're already here in Fanatier. Fanatier. Royal Commission. Toink. Oh, Tahir, come here. Tahir, come here. Oh,
Maglakad-lakad dyan sa
oh,
kabila.
Bangals.
Matam Dijalla.
Matam, Damam.
Dagat na pala yung kabilang yan.
This one, Bangfa, boss.
Yeah.
Red tag.
Kanfani.
Jerry Baxter.
There over Grillo.
See, you're beautiful. You're beautiful in
This one was busy, boss.
white. Almost Bengali, I hear.
Boss, this one Grillo.
Yeah, Grillo pool. Oh my gosh. Pool. Oh my gosh. Pool.
Where is your turn?
I think parking someplace or go where?
Yeah. Just park and we walk. Then near the sea. Here also. They're walking. Cheese Cafe. They have already the same in Kubar. Where is the gallery mall? This is Panatur Mall. Yeah, on the area. See? Rounding. This Lulu. This is Lulu.
Lulu Express.
Lulu Express. Lulu. We call it Lulu.
So what is think boss, parking or what?
We're looking for a parking. But here.
Maybe there will be more down parking.
Yeah. There. Go there. Here. It's
Where?
too far here, boss.
Huh?
It's too far here.
So where go? Tell me.
There. In the Galleria.
This one Galleria, boss?
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. We just walk. Park here. Oh, you say.
No problem.
He got your face.
Sa kabila.
Yeah. The other side.
Tayo.
We do there on the other side of Alma. The other side of Alma. No parking. So here. Somebody watching you. Disabled. So we go down like deaf. Dead end. No more space.
Parking.
That's right. This is the problem in the one country, in one place, parking problem. Because they make mall, but there is no parking, only malls. They are not prefer the parking area, not like in the Philippines, the parking inside the house. I thought you parking here at the top. No one's go out. Oh my gosh. Okay, madam, go. Oh, just go out, just go
No,
in.
it's now coming.
Just coming only.
Yeah.
See. Ramos. Panatir Mall, this one.
That's parking eh.
Where?
No, it's not parking.
Para
Disabled.
handicap.
Handicap. DPW. Disabled person. PW. PWD, person without leg.
Person without driver.
Person without donkey. Gallery mo.
I think this time I finish from City Dubai,
Yeah.
then I go back.
I think we can't work here. I think we need to go back
Oh my
there.
God.
Pansitan.
Big okay, you see, Indian.
Yeah. You see a lot of big here.
Na tayo ma-parking ano.
No parking, boss. What do you think? Because Grillo is full.
No, me not have any choice. That is your choice, boss. Me is only driving.
Yeah.
You talking go to Manila, I go Manila.
Okay, go Manila now. Go home.
Okay, I go to Khubar, Bahrain village and put inside the car. See, then go to same like.
Oh, see guys. No parking here. Put here your car. Yeah. Taxi standard, international standard right there. Okay.
Malayo na to.
Malayo na. Puno yung Grillo ka?
Malayo
Rick?
na ikutan natin.
Okay. We just tour only here in Panatil. Okay.
What?
We just tour only. Tour.
Here have parking.
Yeah. You park here.
Parking?
Yeah.
You like go ahead.
Yeah. No need.
Not go to restaurant. I think go city is better, boss.
Yeah. Go back.
Not benefit here.
Here
What do
is-
you think, boss?
Yeah. It's good.
Because only crowd have not parking space and not because all
Also.
of eat days all people coming. And this restaurant is
So it's crowded.
No choice.
too much fun,
Crowded
boss.
here.
This one.
Okay. Go back to our.
Bengali.
Go back to Bangali's area.
So go to Jubail Center.
Yeah. We just tour only Eric here, our boss here.
Eric,
Yeah.
you writing Jubail Center?
Jubail Center.
Yeah.
Jebel Center, Jollibee.
Jollibee writing Jollibee. Very good. This one Jollibee. Jubail Center.
Because full here, guys. Full
Because you know
here
why,
in
boss?
Grillo.
Because not forget the way.
Yeah, this one out here. Full. Fanatir Mall here.
Kabayan, punta ka na.
You want to go down there, Eric? Gusto mo punta rito? But full.
Eric,
Ah,
open?
okay.
Okay.
Fanatir.
Continue on Al,
Hello,
Shanti for 1
kabayan.
kilometer.
Big stomach, big susu.
Where?
Head east on Ad,
It's okay,
down
yeah.
the road toward Lulu Ford.
Baba.
Dir El Kalam.
Head south on Al, Shanti
Dar
toward
Al
Al,
Karim.
Shira.
He's talking
Continue on Al,
26
Shanti
minutes.
for 1 kilometer.
Jubel. Fanatir. You want to walk? O gusto mo dito tayo?
Pwede naman.
Babalik na tayo doon. Sa Jubel.
Wala naman tayo kakainan.
Kaya puno eh.
Puno.
Full. Okay, let's go back to Jebel Santa. At least na-tour ka na. Saka na tayo pag wala ng holiday, tsaka mo tayo magkalagala.
Sana magala din.
Maraming tao dito eh.
Sana ba yun?
Ha?
You like go eating? I go. You
Yeah.
are coming after, no problem.
Yeah.
Where are you going?
Boss?
Where are you going? We will go here now.
You go Grillo. You see?
Crowded.
Grillo is full. See? The Grillo is full.
Oh my
Because
God.
this is the only well-known
I think
place
I-
here. Maybe order will come tomorrow morning. See?
This
This
one
the
Jalil, boss.
Grillo.
Boss, left side Jalil.
Yeah. Red tag. Very full.
Crowded.
Boss, only you
it's
take
holiday.
from the pharmacy Dua. Is go back.
Panadol.
Maybe this one leave.
Panadol.
Yung iba naman doon, nakikikupo lang eh.
Boss?
Enjoy. Enjoying the day, enjoying the night. Okay guys, we are already here in Fanatier. Is this
2 car, 1 tree. 2 car, 1 tree.
Yes.
I was your tourist.
You just tour only
Handicap park. This one also teeth, boss.
dental.
Here have parking.
Yeah, here. If you want, we stay here.
No, you go. Me waiting here, no problem.
Will not eat?
Here we go. There in Jubela, the restaurant there.
Okay.
We know what food we order here. Maybe
There's too much rat coming
Yeah.
up top.
we order here. Maybe our order will come up tomorrow morning.
Here
In
also
200
parking.
meters, continue
Yeah.
on to Al Khamis Road.
Alcamis. Okay, holy guys. We go back to Jubel Center because it's the place there is full. We cannot go in the Grillo full.
Siguro pag ano niya,
Regular day.
regular day.
Because today is holiday, Eid holiday. A lot of people coming here. So, what can do? What we can do? What we will do?
Nothing to do. 2 days Eric is big
No
boss.
choice, yes.
Bossy.
He's the boss
Not
now.
bossy. Have
In
50
400
boss.
meters, turn left onto road number 6.
Okay, bossy.
Fuki bossy.
Right, Mark?
Iowa?
Because have Pokey, then is bossy. Have Titi, then boss.
Boss.
Kepias.
KPS. 70 only here. Highway number 6. Yes. Always heavy people.
Turn left onto road number 6.
Number 6 again. Number 6 again.
This car is Bahrain.
Yes.
Wait, too much number. 6 number.
684,721.
Wait, too much number.
Bahrain? Yeah. It's
6 number.
small number, small country, too much number. Because they have an international number. Guys, see, good video TikTokers, huh?
I think this one Pakistani.
It's on the top.
Pakistani.
It's on the top. Okay. Got the mambo. I got the mambo.
Continue on road number 6 for 4 kilometers.
He's TikTok. That's why he make a
Not TikTok, he's crazy. Some
He-
people back give finger, then it's okay.
no. He make a content, TikTok content. Same as me. So my content here is traveling, live, but no one watching my live. Only 0. So I'm here in this
Noise go
place.
down.
So now I'm here in the place. I will see the industrial lights. Inshallah, but that is different road. It's different road. Before I drove here, going here to Panatir directly with my friend before with Gino baby. Now Gino is making baby, another baby. He's now in the Philippines. He traveled last yesterday.
She's pregnant?
He traveled yesterday. Go to Philippines. And then he come back on 21. He will come back on 21. Wow. Haba ng bakasyon niya, no? I'm sleepy. Sa pansitan na kakain. Sana walang tao. Tapos sarado pala. Mamadaliin tayo. Maraming customer. Barbecue, fried chicken, barbecue and fried chicken. He was eating, and one chicharron kawali, fried rice, vegetable rice. Curry. Oh, very nice. Curry. Yes, it's good. Too many trees. Carne. You like carne? Boss?
शादी जुमे तो पहले नहीं पाबंदी है तो मैंने दस छड़ो किसी जगह तो भी पाबंदी नहीं है कि जुमे तो पहले तुझे काम नहीं करना है ना ऐ भी जरा ना बिल्कुल तुझे सही नहीं किया है जी बिल्कुल शादी बिल्कुल ये गल जुमे तो बाद जुमे दी दान तो बाद ये नमाज तो बाद ये तो पहला निकल पे है मसूद नहीं जी कोई ऐसा है भी नहीं जो पाबंदी है सिर्फ इस वक्त जुमे दी पहली सान बंद करो उस तो पहले तुझे चला सकते कोई ममनू नहीं चाहिए
Hello guys, we just exiting the Panatir.
In 600 meters, take the ramp to expressway number 1.
Expressway, oh my god. You're not going to the industrial expressway. This one going to Arad.
Take the ramp to expressway number 1.
Expressway number 1 on the right side.
Continue on expressway number 1 for 11 kilometers.
At least nakapunta ka na Panatir. Pasyal lang. Window shopping. Layo, no? Hello guys. Oh, Grillo.
See, 1 hour.
Yeah, 1 hour.
Half hour go, half hour come back.
Carney.
So 1 hour go back over.
Oh my gosh.
ਸਮੇਂ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਨਾ ਉੱਥੋਂ ਤਿਆਰੀ ਕਰੋ
Dahi Karo. Where are you? The road is wide. Why you are hitting us?
ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕੱਟਿਆ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਦੁਬਾਰਾ ਐਵੇਂ ਮੈਂ ਕਰਨ ਲੱਗਾ ਨਾ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਮੈਂ ਮੇਰਾ ਅੰਗੂਠਾ ਰੱਖਿਆ ਉੱਤੇ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਛੱਡ ਮੇਰਾ
You look so beautiful in white, so as long as you
ਨਹੀਂ ਕੋਈ ਸ਼ਾਂਤ ਵਾਲੀ ਗੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਔਰ ਉਹ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਬੈਠੇ ਨੇ ਨਾ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ ਨਾ ਸਾਰੇ ਆਏ ਨੇ ਸਾਊਦੀ ਵਾਲਾ ਵੀ ਆਇਆ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਕਿਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਅੱਗੇ ਤੋਂ ਸੁਣ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਸ਼ਾਹ ਜੀ ਪੈਨਲਟੀ ਪੈ ਗਈ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਮੈਸੇਜ ਡਿਲੀਟ ਹੋਇਆ ਤੇ ਪੈਨਲਟੀ ਪੈ ਗਈ ਜੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੈਂਡ ਕਰ ਦਿਓ ਸ਼ਾਹ ਜੀ ਸਾਰੀ ਪਿੰਡ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਨੇ ਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਮੈਂ ਲੈ ਲਗਾ ਨਾ ਕੋਲ ਤੋਂ ਮਰਾ ਤੋਂ ਚਿੱਟੀ ਤੇ ਕੰਸਾਪੁਰ ਸਾਰੇ ਪਿੰਡ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਹੀ ਨੇ ਨੇੜੇ ਤੇੜੇ ਨੇ ਇਹ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਦਫਾ ਹੀ ਹੋਇਆ ਨਾ ਕੋਈ ਮੈਂ ਅਗਰ ਨਾ ਕਰਦਾ ਤੇ ਕੋਈ ਐਨੀ ਟੈਨਸ਼ਨ ਵਾਲੀ ਗੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ ਮੈਸੇਜ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ ਮੈਸੇਜ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਇਸੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਨਾ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਲੈਂਦਾ ਕੀਤਾ ਸਾਰੇ
Assalamualaikum.
ਸਭ ਕੁਝ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਵੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਤਾਂ ਹੀ ਬਣਾ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਅੱਜ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਤਾਂ ਭਾਵੇਂ ਨਾ ਵੇ ਅਗਰ ਕਿਤੇ ਨਾ ਵੀ ਕੱਟਦੇ ਤਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਕਿਤੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਇਸ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਅੱਗੇ ਵਧਣਾ ਨਾ ਮਾਲ ਬੰਦਾ ਬੰਦੇ ਕਰੇ
Beautiful, like smoke.
Yes, it's a Jebel Industrial City. Only 110 here. There is the polluted area here. Can't see. Only trees. Trees, the sky. Covered by the trees. This Jebel guys, Mausok. Area Mausok. Kali-kali. See. Okay. Oh my gosh. Too much interruption. Only now bus. Hello darling. How are you darling? Let us know. Rimsha.
Assalamu alaikum.
See?
Alimsha. Fiore.
Curie.
ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਕੀ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ?
ਕੀ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ?
ਤੇ ਭਾਜੀ ਕੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ?
In 3 kilometers, take the exit.
She's sleeping.
ਤੇ ਛੋਟੇ ਭਾਜੀ
Hello, darling.
ਆਵਾਰਾ ਤਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ
How
ਹੋ
are
ਗਏ?
you?
ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹ ਸਨੀ ਬਾਹਰ ਨਿਕਲਿਆ ਤਾਂ
Oh my gosh.
ਇਹ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਟਾਈਮ ਹੈ ਜਿਮ ਦਾ ਜੀ? ਹੈ ਇਹ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਟਾਈਮ ਹੈ ਜਿਮ ਦਾ? ਮੈਂ ਆਪਕੋ ਕਹਿਣਾ 10 ਵੱਜ ਗਏ ਨੇ। ਕਮ ਸੇ ਕਮ ਦੱਸਣਾ ਤਾਂ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਨਾ, ਦਿਨ ਦਿਹਾੜੀ ਹੈ। ਰਮਸ਼ਾ ਤੂੰ ਵੀ ਸ਼ਦੈਣ ਦੀ ਸ਼ਦੈਣ ਹੀ ਰਹਿਣਾ, ਕਮ ਸੇ ਕਮ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਕਰਕੇ